Yeah, we're gonna knock this one out of the park. See, in this one, what do you need? You need a Red Bull? Why Cougar? I love that question. I'll tell you why Cougar. We've got over 25 years of experience of having phenomenal product and a phenomenal team with the best partners across North America. Cougar! But right now, with this new exterior, with the current interior that we have and the floor plan lineup,
we have the opportunity to provide our customers one of the best-selling fifth wheels and travel trailers in the world. Cougar offers the ability to have the best-in-class fit and finish. We have the most innovative floor plans. We have the most residential amenities on the marketplace. We have best-in-class storage and best-in-class towability.
We actually take the time and we innovate and we test more product and component testing on this than anything out there in the industry.
You know, the thing I keep hearing is longevity and durability.
Well, I think the other great thing about Cougar is our broad offering. We've got everything from small travel trailers up into full-size Cougars.
Cougar excels in half-ton fifth wheels. Under 30 foot, we own that space and have done so for years and years.
Well, you talk about the Amy Gray Signature Series.
Absolutely.
What's great about that series is, a lot of people want very light colored inside. People either love it or they hate it.
Yep.
We kind of found a happy medium there where we got light cabinets with some of the darker accents and furniture, so it's a nice contrast for all of North America.
The fact that Cougar does so much innovation, we actually have 6 patents on almost every Cougar. To me, that's the fact that we're just doing our own thing. We're not following industry trends. We're finding better ways to do things on our own.
Absolutely. We have the best back-end support out there in the world. Frankly, Cougar, we're on our 25th anniversary. Our brand couldn't succeed for 25 years and stay first in its class without the back-end support.
so really why Cougar? Why now? I'll tell you right now is because our product has never been better.
It's fantastic.
Customers have a hard time if they've owned a Cougar for the last 10, 12 years, whatever that may be, finding, taking the opportunity to trade it in because they've had so much success with their existing Cougar. We've been around for a long time. Product shows in the quality and longevity and durability.
Are you ready for 2023?